Good morning and welcome to JK News Network. You are listening Morning Bulletin with Mohammad Faisal. Today, the second phase elections are held for 69 seats in West Bengal and Assam. Among the 30 talked about seats in this phase of Bengal, Nandigram is also voting today. The fight in this seat is between CM Mamta Banerjee and former Minister Shubhendu Adhikari. For Mamta, this seat is a matter of her self-respect. Then Shubhendu Adhikari has claimed to defeat Mamta by 50,000 votes. Shubhendu has said that if he cannot beat Mamta, he will leave politics. The National Investigation Agency has made a big disclosure in the case of explosive rich Scorpio outside Mukesh Ambani's house Antilia. According to the sources in the investigating agency, only on the order of the arrested API Sachin Vaze in the case, his personal driver parked the gelatin-laden Scorpio outside Antilia on the night of 25th February. During this time, Sachin was driving the Innova, which was constantly behind Scorpio. Actor and Big Boss contestant Izaz Khan, arrested in the drugs case, was produced in NDPS court in Mumbai on Wednesday after 8 hours of questioning. During the court appearance, Narcotics Control Bureau has made several revelations regarding Izaz. According to the NCB, links have been found between Shadab Batata and Izaz Khan, arrested in the drugs case last week. 12 hills of the 100 million years old Rajmahal mountain range, extending up to 4 districts of Jharkhand, Dumka, Godda, Pakur and Sahibganj, have disappeared. These hills were formed 50 million years before the Himalayas, but it took only a few years to eradicate their existence. Godwa Nasa, Amjela, Pangad, Gurmi, Bairana, Dhikuti, Bakachuri, Telagadi, Bansokhala, Gadi, Sangar Pahadi, Merakutti hills have ceased to exist by illegal stone digging. The fourth phase of COVID vaccination in the capital will begin on Thursday. People over 45 years of age will be able to take the vaccine. On the first day, more than 5,000 people have been targeted to be vaccinated in this category in Ranchi district. Under the government system, 9 centers have been set up in the city and 32 in the rural area. Free vaccine will be available here. Also, the vaccine is being provided in 96 private hospitals in the city. Here, you have to pay 250 rupees per person.